Hello everyone, in this video we will review Power Automate AI Builder. Power Automate AI Builder is a feature within Microsoft's Power Platform that lets you add artificial intelligence to your business processes without needing to write any code. It works well with Microsoft tools like Power Automate, Dynamics 365, and even Microsoft Teams. It's built for people who aren't tech expert but want to make smarter workflows using AI. AI Builder offers ready-to-use models like form processing, object detection, text recognition, sentiment analysis, and prediction. For example, you can use it to automatically pull data from invoices, detect objects in pictures, or figure out if customer reviews are positive or negative. You can also train your own models by uploading data and guiding the AI through a step-by-step setup. The tools is simple to use with a drag-and-drop interface, and it saves time by automating tasks that would normally take hours. Many businesses use it to improve things like customer service, document processing, and reporting. However, it works best for basic to medium-level tasks. Advanced users may find it less flexible than building custom AI models with tools like Azure or Python. Overall, Power Automate AI Builder is a legit and reliable tool for small to mid-sized business looking to bring AI into their daily work without needing a developer. It's user-friendly, integrates well with Microsoft apps, and it's a good way to get started with automation and artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.